Most likely you've heard the term pay yourself first. You may have heard it from your high school economics teacher, a professional in the finance industry, or even your brother-in-law. Most people simply let the idea in one ear and out the other perhaps because they think retirement planning is something that doesn't need to be addressed until sometime later in life. And this might sound like nonsense, but the truth is that paying yourself first is the most important thing you can do to become wealthy. All of those who have ever built any level of wealth have utilized this strategy in their financial plan. Sadly, most people fail to realize the importance of this simple concept, failing to invest sufficiently for their retirement in losing out on the benefit of the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. Welcome to Investings. We teach you about money, personal finance, and investing. If you don't want to miss any videos, and if you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe and press the like button if this video was helpful. What does pay yourself first mean? It actually refers to prioritizing saving your income and savings goals, like retirement, before paying for living expenses. Every time you get paid, a percentage will automatically be saved towards that goal. This may sound counterintuitive to some, but it's a crucial step in securing your financial future. The amount you should pay yourself first will vary depending on your near situation, including your age and retirement goals, but generally 15% is a reasonable number. If you're making $5,000 per month, you should be setting aside $750 each month to help toward your financial goals. If you want to become financially independent and retire early, you'll want to set aside a larger percentage. If you're older and haven't done any retirement planning until now, an even higher percentage may be necessary. Setting this automatic process up ensures that you won't confuse the money for spending on anything else. Instead, the money goes into investments that will make you a lot of money in the long run with the power of compound interest. Then you take care of other expenses after deducting for your future. Have you ever wondered where your paycheck is gone at the end of the week? We all have the moment of amazement as we see how quickly money can disappear. Spend a few moments with friends after work, fill up your car with fuel or buy some groceries, and pretty soon your checking account will drop to low balance. You could remember where your paycheck went, but without strict budgeting and monitoring of your expenses, your money can seem to just slip through your fingers. The cycle of getting paid, spending, and waiting for the next paycheck can be one that continues year after year, until one day you finally realize you have nothing saved for your future, leaving you to rely on Social Security or scrambling to prepare for retirement, whatever that may look like. Saving a small percent of your paycheck each month is actually pretty easy, and those who have done it before can tell you that they hardly even notice the money gone because it was put into investments right away. If you don't set up a system where you keep a portion of your income from every paycheck for your future, your money could easily slip through your fingers. It's critical to dedicate a portion of your money to your future, or it's likely to soon be gone. Once you've made the decision to pay yourself first and set up some form of automation, you need to decide which account your money will be placed in for each paycheck. You should choose the account based on what's most appropriate for your personal situation and goals. If your employer offers a 401k match, take advantage of this free money. If you are in a high income in the 401k, maximum contribution of $19,000 per year won't allow you to save 15% or more of your income. You'll need to explore other options. There are a number of tax-advantaged retirement accounts you can use, including traditional and Roth IRA. You may even decide not to use these retirement accounts at all, but instead dedicate your savings to purchasing rental property. It will provide you with tax advantages and cash flow during your retirement years. Which avenue you decide to take with your money might not be the most important thing. It's critical that the money is taken out of your paycheck and dedicated to some form of investment that will reward you in the future. One of the best things about paying yourself first is that if you start early, you'll benefit from the compound interest. Once your money compounds over and over, it grows exponentially and increases more quickly, just like a snowball rolling down a hill. Compounding is so powerful that Warren Buffett attributes his success to his money growing exponentially over a long period of time. It's common for people to claim that they don't earn enough money to save and invest. While it may be partially true, what they don't realize is that when beginning at our early age, very little money is required to get the snowball rolling. To give you an idea of how powerful this effect is, if you invested $1,000 per month over the course of 40 years, or from 25 years to 65 years old, your nest egg will have grown to nearly $6 million. This is largely due to the compounding effect. The only requirement to begin paying yourself first and starting on the road to financial securities is actually doing it. Set up an automatic payroll deduction with your employer based on the predetermined percentage of your paycheck as discussed earlier. If this isn't an option for you, just set up an automatic withdrawal from your checking account to your investments every time you get paid. Don't wait until all the other expenses are covered, or you'll quickly find that there's nothing left over. Pick a place for your new funding tool and start reaping the benefits of compound interest. After all, it's your future at stake, and procrastination is very expensive. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell to never miss out when I upload a new video. See you next time.